Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure iPhone Wi-Fi settings for faster connections. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Find and tap on the Settings app. In the Settings menu, locate and select Wi-Fi. Make sure that the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, you will see a list of available networks. Select your desired Wi-Fi network from the list. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Join. Now, leave the Wi-Fi settings and return to the home screen. Open the Settings app again. This time, scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, scroll down and select Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. This will remove all. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After it restarts, go back to Settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Reconnect to your preferred Wi-Fi network by selecting it and enter. To further enhance your connection speed, return to the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Scroll down to System Services and tap on it. Ensure that Wi-Fi networking is enabled for improved location accuracy. Now, go back to the home screen. Open Safari or any other app that requires an internet connection. Test your Wi-Fi speed to see if there is an improvement. If you're still experiencing slow speeds, consider resetting your router. Ensure your router firmware is updated for optimal performance. You are now set up to enjoy faster Wi-Fi connections on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.